First, let's recall the quadratic formula, which is x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Now the part underneath the radical, the square root, is called the discriminant. And the discriminant will determine how many real solutions we have. For a quadratic equation of standard form, ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, we know that when the discriminant, which is b squared minus 4ac, is greater than 0, there will be two real solutions. And when the discriminant, b squared minus 4ac, is equal to 0, there will be one real solution. And this solution will be repeated, so we'll have a multiplicity of 2. And number 3, when b squared minus 4ac, the discriminant, is less than 0, there will be no real solutions. So let's try an example. Our example is 3x squared minus 5x plus 1 equals 0. This equation is already in standard form, so let's just go ahead and pull off our a. Our a is attached to the x squared, so we have a equals 3. And now let's do our b. It's attached to the x, which is negative 5, and our c, which is 1. So let's plug in. So we have b squared minus 4ac. Our b squared is going to be negative 5 squared minus 4 times a, which is 3, times c, which is 1. Negative 5 squared is 25. 4 times 3 times 1 is 12. So 25 minus 12 is going to be 13, which is positive, which is greater than 0. So we're going to have two real solutions. And now let's look at example number 2. We have 3x squared plus 2 equals 4x. This equation is not in standard form. Let's go ahead and put that in standard form. So we're going to subtract 4x from both sides. We're going to have 3x squared minus 4x plus 2 equals 0. And now we can pull off our a, b, and c. So a will be 3 because it's attached to the x squared. B will be negative 4 because it's attached to the x. And c will be 2. Now let's plug in. So we're going to have our b, which is negative 4 squared, minus 4 times our a, which is 3, times our c, which is 2. Negative 4 squared is 16, minus 4 times 3 times 2, which is 24. This is going to give us negative 8. 16 minus 24 is 8, negative 8. And so, since it's negative, it's less than 0, there's going to be no real solutions. And that's how you determine, using the discriminant, to find how many real solutions.